Hi there. Thanks so much for joining us today. I'm speaking on behalf of A Consulting, where we bring smart, practical, and efficient building design to life. Today, I want to walk you through something that really powers every successful project: MEP services. These are the systems that turn an architect's beautiful vision into a building that actually works. Section 1. What is MEP? So, what exactly is MEP? It stands for Mechanical, Electrical, and Plumbing, the services that keep a building running smoothly. While architecture gives a building its shape, style, and personality, MEP systems are what make it livable, comfortable, and functional, from fresh air to lighting, water supply, and more. Section 2. Mechanical Services. Reassuring. Let's start with the mechanical side, which mostly refers to HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Comfort and air quality are everything. And at A Consulting, we design HVAC systems to suit the building layout, ensuring consistent temperatures, clean air, and energy efficiency. We also make sure our systems follow government regulations, calculating exactly how much fresh air and exhaust is needed so you save on energy bills without compromising comfort. Once we've done the heat load calculations, we sit with the architect to pick the right solution for your project. This might include split ACs for smaller setups, VRV/VRF systems with or without ducts, chilled water systems, air-cooled or water-cooled, or even radiant cooling or heating in some cases. We make these decisions together, always balancing comfort, performance, and aesthetics. And when it comes to ventilation, especially in basements or fire zones, we follow NBC fire codes to ensure smoke extraction and pressurization systems work perfectly when needed. Section 3. Electrical Services, Energetic and Professional. Now let's talk about the electrical systems, literally the backbone of any building. We cover everything: power distribution, lighting, automation, and energy-saving technologies. We also handle all the low-voltage systems: fire alarms, CCTV, access control, PA systems, BMS, building management systems, bots, and even smart home automation. Everything you need for control, comfort, and safety. Lighting is a big focus too. We coordinate directly with lighting manufacturers to achieve the exact lux levels needed in each space. But here's the key: we always request the client and architect to finalize the brand or make of lights before we generate the lux layout. Why? Because using real product data works and ensures your space looks and functions just the way it should. Section 4. Plumbing Services. Plumbing. It might be behind the scenes, but it's essential to daily life in any building. Our team designs systems for clean water supply, drainage and sewage, wastewater treatment, and features like rainwater harvesting and gray water reuse, if the project allows. We're always focused on sustainability and hygiene, without affecting your building's structural integrity or aesthetics. We also closely coordinate with architects and structural consultants. Every pipe, duct, and fixture is placed with care. And here's something we always advise. We request the client and architect to finalize the model and make of each plumbing fixture and the location of the water tanks early in the process. This helps us reflect every detail in the drawings accurately, leading to a more precise design and avoiding site conflicts later on. Section 5. Firefighting System. Serious. Let's not forget fire safety. It's absolutely non-negotiable. We design complete fire protection systems as per NBC norms and local regulations, including sprinklers, fire hose cabinets, external hydrants, fire extinguishers, smoke and heat detectors, fire alarm panels, fire pumps. All of this is automatic. No manual intervention required during a fire. The system detects smoke or heat, sounds the alarm, activates the fire pump, and engages the suppression system. We also design underground and overhead water tanks as per NBC. However, since fire departments may have specific requirements, we recommend applying for the fire knock early, or at least keeping provisions for changes during execution. Section 6. Collaborative and Supportive. One of our biggest strengths? Coordination. We always respect the architect's design intent, and we work hard to make sure all ducts, pipes, and cables are tucked away neatly without interfering with your structure or aesthetics. And yes, we do provide 3D modeling when required. If that's part of the scope, we ask for the architectural model in the proper format so we can plan all MEP routes clearly and accurately. Section 7. Modern Trends, Forward Thinking and Upbeat. We also believe in staying ahead. Our MEP systems support smart building solutions, IoT-based controls, green energy systems like solar, and we align our designs with LEED, IGBC, and GREA certifications because sustainable buildings aren't just the future, they're the present. Conclusion. So that's a quick overview of how we do MEP design here at A Consulting. We act as an extension of your team, working side by side with architects and engineers to make sure every system functions smoothly and looks great. We're also here to support your liaisoning team, submit all drawings and documents to authorities, and make sure your project meets all statutory norms. We guide you on contractor selection, technical specs, and product makes, making sure quality isn't compromised. And during construction, we're right there, doing site visits, checking execution quality, and sharing clear site visit reports with you, so you're always informed. Urban development focus. Now, if you're planning a plotted development or city-scale project, our approach is slightly different and more holistic. We look at everything: electrification, water planning, underground cabling, smart poles, digital connectivity, and we design it to be not just functional, but visually beautiful too. Whether it's water tanks or EV charging stations, we plan with urban design principles in mind to create neighborhoods that are organized, modern, and future-ready. We work closely with urban planners and authorities, making sure every inch supports both aesthetics and functionality. Thank you so much for watching. If you're starting a project and looking for dependable MEP support, we'd love to be part of your journey. Please visit us at www.aconsultingindia.com. Let's build something exceptional together.